Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create password protected zip folder. So for us to get started, the first thing that you are going to do is download WinRAR. So head over to Google and look for download WinRAR right here, or you can just go ahead and type and basically follow what I did. Now from this point forward, go ahead and choose the latest one. You should be able to see it here at the top. Go ahead and click that and then a pop-up should appear. Now what you are going to do is just install this one, and afterward it's going to be a very easy process. So it's similar to this one right here. Yep, very simple, very straightforward. Now I'm gonna cancel this one. I'm gonna head over to that particular file. Say for example this one, I'm gonna go ahead and say for example password protect this one. The only thing that I have to do really is just right click on it, or if there are several items, basically any items that you wish to add to a password protected zip folder, it's basically the same thing. Go ahead and choose them. Now what you're going to do then is click add to archive, and then from here you can rename this and then click zip right here. You can choose RAR or the others archive format here, and then what you're going to do is click set password. So I'm going to go ahead and try to write here admin for example. Now I'm going to show password just for you to know. Okay, and then what you're going to do is click OK. Click OK, and there is the thing. Now if I were to click this one, you should be able to see here that particular file. However, if I were to go ahead and double click and open it, it is going to ask me to enter the password. So yeah, what I'm going to do in order for me to see that is type the password right here and then hit OK, and there is the image. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done. Very simple, very straightforward. Just follow what I did and that's it.